There are just so many problems with American cops these days, one of which being that a lot of them love to fire from the hip, so to speak. I mean that both metaphorically and literally. And that is one of many reasons why we at ROR are still sticking around and making videos in spite of what's happened to our channel. And the video that we're showcasing today is an excellent example of such. So this video, brought to all of us on YouTube by Duckda Police, takes place on September 9th, 2024 in Montgomery County, Texas, with the precinct being number 5. This lady cop proceeds to pull this woman over, thinking that she'd be an easy target because of her incapabilities. But within seconds, the tables get turned on the cop in a very hilarious way. In case you want to see the full original video for yourselves, uncut, uninterrupted, links to that will be placed down below. Make sure you subscribe before we start, hit that thumbs up button and notification bell as well. And with that out of the way, let's take a look at this lady cop getting humiliated by this lady during this traffic stop. There's bike racks there, that's going to be very important to keep in mind.
You gonna roll down the window? Why not? Roll down the window.
Yes, may I help you?
Officer Norton, Montgomery County Constables, Precinct 5. The reason I pulled you over is your license plate is obscured. I cannot see your license plate.
And that's
You're
exactly
so crap
why.
Anyways, because it's got my bicycle things on it.
It still can't be covered.
Yes, it's not covered. It is, but that's
It's obscured.
legal.
No, it's not. I cannot see your license plate. I cannot see your license plate.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so it's obscured. Do you have your license on you?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
However, it's not obscured.
Okay, it is obscured.
You can call Officer Simpson, Sergeant Simpson, and ask him. It is not obscured.
So me not being able to see your back license plate, don't roll up your window on me.
Oh, watch me. An accident.
Oh, watch me!
I didn't threaten you. I said don't
Man,
roll.
this lady.
Roll up your roll
I love this lady already.
Again with.
Okay, that's all I said was don't roll your window up on me. Where's your license?
It's not obscured.
Okay.
You can read it.
We can agree to disagree. Where are you coming from today?
None of your business.
Okay, cool.
Exactly. Don't answer
Any
questions.
weapons in the vehicle?
None of your business.
It is my business, actually.
No, I don't have to answer any more questions.
Yeah, you do. Are there any weapons in the
Oh,
vehicle?
compelling speech are
Are there any
we?
weapons in the vehicle?
No.
Okay. Any illegal narcotics?
I'm not answering any more questions.
Okay.
Good.
Go ahead and hop out of the vehicle for me.
Invoke your fifth.
Excuse me?
Hop out of the vehicle.
Excuse me?
Go ahead and hop out of the vehicle.
Say that again?
Go ahead and hop out of the vehicle.
No.
Get out of the
I'm not
vehicle.
getting out of the vehicle.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, no, I am not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
8520. Can you send me another unit? I have a occupant that's refusing to get out of the vehicle.
So this lady cop gets this motorist out of the vehicle eventually, but that's after it's under threat of arrest and after 3 other units arrive. Let's take a look at what this lady cop proceeds to do as soon as that happens.
Hands on the hood. You have anything on me that's gonna poke prod me? Pat you down for officer safety.
No,
Hands on the hood.
that's not a pat down. That is pull my bra.
It is definitely a pat down. We can argue all you want. I don't know why you are being so
Because
defensive.
you are not patting me down. You are feeling up under my bra.
Is that I'm allowed to?
No, you're not.
Okay.
Yeah,
Where are you
no.
coming from today? Not gonna answer? Okay. Anything in the car that you're not supposed to have?
No,
Okay. Have you ever been in trouble with the law before?
no.
No.
Except for that I got pulled over, like, I went to jail for expired inspection registration, like, a long time ago.
Okay. So
You
there's
don't-
nothing inside the vehicle that you're not supposed to have?
No.
Okay.
You don't want
Do
to
you
give her
mind if
any
I search the
information.
vehicle?
Yes,
Come
I
on.
do.
Okay. Okay. Stay right there.
So as you clearly just saw, that wasn't just a pat down. This lady was pulling on the driver's bra, even though it was underneath the shirt. And since this lady cop proceeds to talk to the district attorney about what she was doing, I don't really think I have to explain myself here on this. We'll just let him do the talking for us.
Okay, here's where you're at. I'm with you. Technically, yes, you have the violation if you want to file it. However, there are some problems that will make you look terribly bad if you have to defend this case in court.
Okay.
The first one is the statute that I wanted to look at is that bicycles and motorcycle racks attached to a vehicle in normal and customary manner cannot be used as a basis for obstructing a license plate.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually spelled out in the statute.
Okay, even with the bicycles on it?
I'll read it to you. Subsection A7, which is the obscured license plate, may not be construed to apply to a bicycle or motorcycle rack that is attached to a vehicle in a normal or customary manner. Now that's problem number one. Problem number two actually is a valid point about the search in saying that you patting her bra is not a pat down, it's a search.
Mm-hmm.
So the long and the short of it is, I would not do it, but if y'all really want to fight off that fight, yes, we'll file it.
No, I mean, I'm gonna go with obviously what you say, because I'm calling you to get your opinion on it.
Yeah, I mean that's where I'm at. You could easily make out the case for interference with public duties for her refusing to come out of the vehicle for an extended period and requiring a number of officers to get involved. However, a defense attorney, in my opinion, is going to eat you alive with the other two issues.
Oh yeah, they would.
That case. So
They
I'll go
definitely
whichever way
would.
y'all want to go, and I'm certainly happy if you want to talk to your sergeant about it and make a decision that way.
No. Like I said, I called you to get your kind of approval on the
Yeah.
the stuff that we got
I
out here.
think is legally you're right. Morally, I wouldn't take that fight if I were you.
Yeah.
He's
Okay.
being laughed at by
I
the
was under the impression
DA.
that if we weren't able to see a plate in the back at all.
And within a couple of minutes after that, this lady was let go, no charges whatsoever. Oh, that ending was hilarious. The DA just laughing at this cop because of what she was suggesting and the laws that applied with it. Speaking of which, let's talk about those laws now, shall we? Starting with the laws regarding obscuring license plates in Texas. Specifically under the Texas Transportation Code of 504.945. Wrong, fictitious, altered, or obscured license plate. If you skim through all these rules and take a look at subsection C5, it tells you what does not count as breaking this statute, with one of those things explicitly being a bicycle or motorcycle rack that is attached to a vehicle in a normal or customary manner. What exactly was blocking that license plate now, huh? Was it perhaps a bike rack that was attached there in a normal or customary manner? Certainly looks like that to me. But there was one thing that this DA was mistaken on, and that was claiming that this cop could get this woman on charges for hindering or obstructing or anything similar. And the reason why is because of the very nature of this particular traffic stop itself. It was completely unlawful from the very beginning. And there have been many situations out there where somebody got away with a crime in court because the basis for discovering that crime was unlawful in the first place. Take a look at Jesowitz v. State, for example, where it says that Drew G. Jesowitz was charged with and convicted of possession of controlled substance and escape. We reverse both convictions because those charges arose from conduct that took place after the police unlawfully detained Jesowitz for the purpose of issuing him a trespass warning. But ROR, you might be saying, that's strictly related to trespass warnings, not about arresting people off an unlawful detainment. And setting aside that you are sorely mistaken on that regard, let's also take a look at the court case of Brown v. Texas. According to OJP.gov, Brown was convicted of unlawful possession of heroin, but the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals reversed the conviction, holding that the evidence should have been suppressed because it was obtained in violation of the Fourth Amendment, which is exactly what happened in this traffic stop right here. There was absolutely no reason for this lady to be pulled over, and we were so happy to see her stand up for her rights the way she did. It was priceless, to say the least. There is more that we could talk about in this regard, such as the unlawful pat-down and the unlawful search, and this lady trying to say that she was going to get a canine involved, as well as her suggesting at first that the sergeant was not available when this lady requested a supervisor, but I think you get the gist of it. Let us know in the comments down below what you think about this interaction, and even more importantly, please make sure to check out Duck Dub Police's channel, get subscribed to them, and let them know that Recognizing Our Rights sent you. Thank you once again for watching, We the People, and with that being said, we'll be seeing you another day. The only other thing we want from you would simply be to never stop loving the Constitution.